Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce our new products BD series connectors, which are divided into BD20 and BD24. Metal models and plastic models are optional. Next, I will introduce BD20 series. BD20 has 2-pin, 3-pin, 4-pin, 5-pin, 7-pin, 9-pin, 12-pin, 14-pin. There are 2-hole and 4-hole flange receptacle in the installation method. And there are also positive and reverse installations for distinguishing functions, and can also be customized according to requirements. The plastic models adopt high-performance outdoor plastic, which is light in weight and high corrosion resistance. The metal models adopt high-strength zinc alloy, which has high mechanical strength and strong impact resistance. Using snap type 3-point locking design, it can be quickly inserted and plugged out, and it is efficient and fast to operate. The installation method is also very convenient, only need tools such as soldering iron, screwdriver, wrench, heat gun and so on. Next, I will show you the installation method of the BD Arch plastic model. As you can see, our plug consists of 4 parts: end cap, connecting sleeve, rubber core module, and shell. The next step is the threading process. First, the cable passes through the end cap, then passes through the connecting sleeve, and finally reaches the solder cup of the power module. Notes on soldering process. The length of the stripped outer jacket is 20 mm plus minus 1 mm. The length of the stripped inner insulation is 5 to 7. The conductor should not be damaged during the stripping process. The wires are marked with numbers and users can weld according to their own wire sequence. During the soldering process, the soldering specifications must be strictly followed. The recommended soldering temperature is 380 degrees Celsius plus or minus 40 degrees Celsius, and the operation time should not exceed 3 seconds at each point to avoid damage to the plastic insulator. Heat the heat shrink sleeve with a heat gun to protect exposed solder joints. After soldering, the insulator has positioning posts which help to guide the installation quickly. During the tightening process, use a wrench to tighten it. The tighter the tightening, the better the waterproof performance, but it is also necessary to avoid excessive torque and cause slippage. After the plug is assembled, start to install the receptacle. The receptacle is soldered in the same way as the plug. This is a dust cap that protects when not plugged into a receptacle. When you hear a click sound, it means it is connected. At this point, the connector has the functions of waterproof and dustproof, anti-corrosion, anti-vibration and so on. Reverse 3-pin and there are multi-pin. The above is the whole process of soldering and installation of BD20 plastic, which is widely used in electric bicycles, motors, mobile robotic arms, ultraviolet germicidal lamps, mobile energy storage power sources, mobile nucleic acid testing stations, and warehouse handling robots, urban lighting engineering, road monitoring and other fields.